Welcome back to BST News. This is Jayashita Reddy from Telangana State. Let's have a look on headlines. BSG India celebrated Menstrual Hygiene Day on 24th, 26th and 28th May 2021 as fun learning webinars. For the well-being of whole humanity, BSG India has planned to conduct series of all-faith prayers in the nation at various levels physically and virtually every Sunday till 2nd of October 2021. Team of 10 young members have participated in online Scout Conference for Sustainable Development from 27th to 31st May 2021 to be hosted by Bangladesh Scouts. Members of BSG India are active in COVID services all over the country. Yoga with BSG is now being telecasted from Monday to Saturday during second wave of COVID-19. World No Tobacco Day was observed by the members of Bharat Scouts and Guides, India. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Southern Region has conducted webinar on Messengers of Peace for Unit Leaders virtually on 31st May 2021. Virtual Talent Show 2021 of Bharat Scouts and Guides Southern Region was successfully completed. Closing ceremony of virtual Raju Puraskar testing camps of NF Railway BSG graced by Honorable Patron of NFR BSG and General Manager NFR Shri Anshul Gupta and other distinguished guests on 1st June 2021 at 4 p.m. An online meeting on OYMS was organized by Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 2nd June 2021. Yas Relief Service rendered by the members of Bharat Scouts and Guides. Virtual troop meeting was organized by the members of Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides. Virtual webinar on pioneering was organized by Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Plastic Tide Turners Workshop virtually organized by Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Jal Seva Shivir, an initiative to distribute water in hot summer by Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides. News in brief. National news. On the occasion of Menstrual Hygiene Day, that is on 28 May 2021, Team Yoga with BSG on its 120th YWB episode celebrated the day in a different manner. Team members created social awareness by painting their faces red, symbolizing the color of purity in menstruation and designing it with different colors. Various yogasanas like Makarasan, Setubandhasan, Shashankasan, Nari Suddhyasan and Brahmi Pranayama, which are beneficial for menstruators during their period, were demonstrated by Ms. Rashmi Bharati Jharkhand and Ms. Lakshmi Gupta Uttar Pradesh. Ms. Darshana Pavaskar, Joint Director of Guides, Program and Training, graced the virtual gathering and shared her views on the occasion. The program was hosted by Deepanjali, Barsha, Priya, Swati, Deepti, Sonia and Alok as anchors. Prayer is the rising of one's mind and heart to God. All faith prayers for well-being of whole humanity conducted in all over the nation at various levels, physically and virtually. Regional headquarters of Northeast Region conducted all faith prayer at its regional headquarters at Azara, Guwahati on 30th May 2021. Which was graced by Mrs. Suchitra Goswami, Ranger Leader of Assam and the local people of Azara. Sikkim State Association has conducted the virtual all-faith prayers meet on 30th May 2021 at 7 am. Vice President Shri D.B. Chintri and Shri T.P. Danjal, State Commissioner Scout, graced the occasion. The program was led by Mr. Shubham Tamang, SOC Scout and Mr. D.R. Gurung, LT Scout. The Bharat Scouts and Guides NF Railway NJP district had successfully conducted online all-faith prayer at 9:30 am. The Assam State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted all-faith prayer virtually, which was graced by the Honorable State Chief Commissioner of Assam Bharat Scouts and Guides Shri Absar Hazarika, ACS, retired. The trainers of Andhra Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides participated in virtual all-faith prayer organized by the Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters on 30th May 2021. World No Tobacco Day is observed around the world on 31st May. This celebration informs the public of harm of using tobacco, the business practices of tobacco companies, what the World Health Organization is doing to fight against the use of tobacco, and what people around the world can do to claim their rights to health and have a healthy living and to protect the future generations. Keeping this in view, members of Hazaribagh district of Jharkhand State Bharat Scouts and Guides observed this day by organizing poster making competition and essay writing competition for Scouts and Guides on Say No to Tobacco. Also, members of the Mahani group of Asansol district of Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides observed the same by organizing social awareness programs online. Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized painting competition on the occasion of World No Tobacco Day on 31st May 2021 at Kaithal district. On the occasion of World No Tobacco Day, Bharat Scouts and Guides Palwal district of Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides administered an online webinar and pledged not to consume tobacco in life on 31st May 2021. Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized an awareness campaign on the occasion of Anti-Tobacco Day. In an effort to engage youth during this prime time, the Bharat Scouts and Guides Southern region has conducted the Virtual Talent Show 2021. The objective of this talent show was to provide a platform for the members aged between 15 to 25 to showcase their skills and talent. The event was dedicated to everyone in this world for unity to fight against COVID-19. Total 397 entries were received from the state across the southern for 5 competitions that are pencil sketching, best imagination, waste to wonders, mobile photography shoot at your safety home, preparing masks and face painting. Stay home, stay safe. The second round of the talent show was conducted on 27th May 2021. Rajya Puraskar testing camps for Scouts and Guides, Rovers and Rangers organized virtually by NF Railway BSG from 27th May to 1st June 2021. The closing ceremony graced by the Honorable Patron of NFR BSG and General Manager NFR Shri Anshul Gupta and another distinguished guests on 1st June at 4 p.m. An online meeting on OYMS was organized in Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 2nd June 2021, in which discussion on membership registration on OYMS was held. Mr. Bablu Goswami, Assistant Director, Eastern Region, graced the gathering and described the membership registration process and also motivated the officials for completing their registration. Mr. Srinivas Kumar, State Secretary of Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides, also created enthusiasm among the members to take part in OYMS widely. Yas Relief Response. Rovers of 24th Ashoka Group of West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides rendered first and second phase Yash Relief Response service from 28 May 2021 to 1st June 2021 at Sonagaon area, where they have distributed relief materials which contain chire, muri, gur, biscuit, medicine and sanitary napkin, bleaching powder and water pouch to more than 200 families. South Group of Kanchrapara District of Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a virtual troop meeting on Scouts on 30th May 2021, in which 30 Scouts participated actively under the leadership of Mr. Priyanshu Banerjee, troop leader. Session on BP6 exercises and Surya Namaskaras were taken. Virtual webinar on pioneering was organized by Araria district of Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 31st May 2021, in which 22 Scouts and Guides participated under the leadership of Mr. Baijnath Prasad, District Organizing Commissioner Scout. Various skills on pioneering were given to the participants to enhance their pioneering skills. Jal Seva Kendra, continuous effort on drinking water distribution service is being rendered by the Rovers and Rangers of ITI Bargaon and Sundargarh, District of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides in this hot summer. WOSM program. A team of 10 young members has participated in online Scout Conference for Sustainable Development from 27th to 31st May 2021 hosted by Bangladesh Scouts. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Southern Region has conducted webinar on Messenger of Peace for unit leaders virtually on 31st May 2021 from 12 pm to 2 pm. 170 participants from 9 regional states attended the webinar. Shri Madhusudan Avala, Deputy International Commissioner Scout BSG India, was the resource speaker. Shri Krishna Swami, our Executive Director BSG, blessed the participants. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Southern Region is organizing a 3-day webinar on Scout Go Solar from 4th to 6th June 2021. WAGS program. On 30th May 2021, West Champaran district of Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides successfully organized its second online workshop on plastic tide turner. The program was coordinated by Mr. Dhananjay Kumar, District Coordinator. Mr. Srinivas Kumar, State Secretary of Bihar, graced the virtual occasion. During the workshop, discussion on implementation of plastic tide turners activities were held. Kerala State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted Free Being Me and Action on Body Confidence virtual workshop from 25th to 29th May 2021, in which 86 rovers, rangers and trainers took part. COVID news. Members of Bharat Scouts and Guides are turning out to be the COVID warriors in this hour of COVID crisis. Vaccination camp was organized by East Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides from 17th to 20th May 2021 at Golf Field High School. Rovers and Rangers of Samastipur Division rendered their services like screening, maintaining the queue, assisting the booth, etc. Rovers and Rangers and leaders of Jharsuguda, Ganjam, Kendrapara and Keonjhar districts of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides are continuously distributing food, sanitizers and masks to the needy people of the local area in lieu of COVID outbreak. UBI's first group of Hooghly district of West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides rendered COVID-19 services on 29th May 2021 by distributing free face masks and sanitizing local markets, schools, temples and medicine shops. Under the leadership of Ms. Banila Sware, staff from Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides, a team of Scouts and Guides has been assisting in the office of the District Disaster Management Authority, Deputy Commissioner's Office of East Khasi Hills District, Meghalaya since 22nd April 2021. The duty given to them is to visit quarantine centers, collection and maintaining the data of the person under the quarantine, preparing and distributing the materials to the quarantine centers, ward rooms, control rooms of each zone of the concerned district and many more. The Meghalaya Scout and Guide Fellowship, in collaboration with Assam Don Bosco University and Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides, has organized a webinar on stress, pursuit of happiness and surge in substance use among youth on 29th May 2021. The influential panelists who took part during the discussion are as follows: Dr. Chandita Barua, Assistant Professor, and Ms. Sampriti Das, Assistant Professor. The program was fruitful and went successfully. Rovers and Rangers of Bharat Scouts and Guides Himachal Pradesh State continuously rendering their services in Mandi Kullu district by spreading awareness about social distancing, benefits of sanitization and wearing mask. State Training Commissioner Guides Bharat Scouts and Guides Himachal Pradesh distributed fruits to the corona warriors and COVID patients at the COVID dedicated hospital in Sundarnagar on 26th May 2021. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Haryana State organized an awareness campaign and mask distribution campaign in villages under Let's Go to the Villages program on 2nd June 2021. Rovers and Rangers of Bhishma Open Group BST Haryana State rendering their service in COVID-19 vaccination centres in Kaithal district from 30th May 2021. The Kerala state has been under lockdown since 8 May due to the rise in COVID cases. 175th Vayanand Mayf King Rovers has been engaged in COVID services from 11th May onwards. The Rovers started all kinds of services like community kitchen, which provides healthy food to the needy people. Approximately 2,000 food packets have been supplied. With the support of local administration mask enforcement drive done by the Scout Rover, along with NCC personnel at different places of Agartala and aware them to wear masks, maintaining social distance, and also charged fine to those who are violating the orders. Volunteers of Bharat Scouts and Guides Haryana State made and distributed masks under the Corona Infection Awareness Campaign at Palwal district on 28 May 2021. Oxygen concentrator, masks and sanitizers were donated to Kanhaya Ashramam at Sirsa by the members of Sirsa District Association of Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 28 May 2021. The Bharat Scouts and Guides North Eastern Railway continuously conducting vaccination campaign for the protection of COVID-19 in Divisional Hospital at Recreation Centre, Badarsh Nagar, Lucknow, NE Railway from 27th May 2021. DOC Guide BSG Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh distributed masks in slum areas and spread awareness against COVID-19 on 2nd June 2021. Pragati Prasisthan NGO, Paradise Scout Group and Pragati Guide Group distributed 100 steam vaporizers to the COVID patients at SMT Hospital, Mysuru, Karnataka on 28th and 29th May 2021. Dr. Ajay Kumar Jain along with his team were present in this occasion. Oxygen Cylinders Challenge, Kasaragod District Association of Kerala State Bharat Scouts and Guides handed over a check to the district collector. Taliparamba District and Payanur Local Association distributed different medical types of medical equipment in various primary health centers. Srimati Shri P. Susila, District Secretary, Visakhapatnam District of Andhra Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides, preparing triple layer safety masks for the safety of the public. Considering the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic, Yoga with BSG is being telecasted from Monday to Saturday at 7 AM and 7 PM on official YouTube channel of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Upcoming events. To beat the COVID-19 fear and engage the members, the Bharat Scouts and Guides India coming with a number of virtual events in the coming days. I am a global citizen, a webinar on sustainable development goals, refer NHQ circular number 55. Asia Pacific Regional Scout Photo Contest 2021, refer NHQ circular number 57. Cyclone Tauktae and Cyclone Yas, appeal to help the affected states. For details, refer NHQ circular number 64 2021 dated 26th May 2021. 42nd World Scout Conference virtually, applications invited for observers. For details, refer NHQ circular number 65 2021 dated 27th May 2021. 27th Asia Pacific Regional Scout Conference, Taiwan. For details, refer NHQ circular number 67 2021 dated 29th May 2021. This is all for today's news. Stay safe, stay home, get vaccinated on your turn. This is Jayashita Reddy from Telangana State signing off. Thank you.